Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to another Stock Kings YouTube video. And today we'll be going over NanoDimension, ticker symbol NNDM. In this video, we'll be talking about how NanoDimension is gearing up for their first ever acquisition. Now, they have stated in the past they want to make acquisitions in the distribution industry as well as in technology to help them grow their business. What they have done is they have gotten $1.5 billion in cash as well as made some hires to their management team to help them make these acquisitions. And we'll be going over that a little later in this video. We'll also be hitting some technical analysis on this NanoDimension chart to help you guys better manage your trades and make some profits from these trades as well, guys. So if you are interested in that information, you are definitely going to want to stick around and hear more about that. However, before we get into that information, if you enjoy this content, please drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out with new videos. And I just hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, so thank you so much for that. And a little later this week, for that 1,000 subscribers, I got a little surprise for you guys that I think you guys will definitely enjoy. But also, I have my Webull linked down below, where if you sign up, put in $100, you can get 2 stocks up to $1,800, guys. And I would get some free stocks as well if you use that link. So that's a good way for you to support this channel, as well as get some free money for yourself. So if you're interested, use that link down below. But with that being said, let's get right into this video. So we are here on the daily chart here on TradingView, and I just want to kind of go over some recent price action and what we've been seeing and talking about on this chart. So here on the daily chart, what we've been kind of seeing is just kind of playing around in between these two ranges. We've been mostly heading towards the downside as of recently, and we've been consolidating in our range between around $7.67 and $9.16. We closed the day on Friday at around 782, and now we are looking to open at the pre-market today on Monday at around 791. What we were looking for is to either break this support here and continue down to touch this support, or either the 200 EMA. Like we said previously, we expected price to fill this empty wick. We say this a lot on this channel. Empty wicks like that can be like breadcrumbs for price to follow. So if it did break that support, we expected it to come down to our support at 648. However, the support held. So now we are looking at this rejection of the support here to come all the way up to test the resistance at 916, guys. So that's what we were looking for in this chart. We are also trading below the 50 EMA and above the 200 EMA. So that is something to note as well. We'll most likely getting some more consolidation until we get some more news. And as well, the RSI indicator is showing us we are bouncing off some of the oversold territory as well. So that is something to note and keep an eye on moving forward. But let's move into some of this news, guys, that we have on NanoDimension and some of the acquisitions that they have made to their management team to help them make these acquisitions for their company and help grow the business. So if we come over here, we can see NanoDimension has announced Nndm as their new president. And we went into this article extensively in my last NanoDimension video. So if you want to hear all about this person being brought into the management team, please go watch that last video. I will be touching on this a little bit here just to kind of summarize. Nndm is the new president of NanoDimension. Yoav Stern touched on this for quite a bit. He was basically saying that Nndm is someone that they can have brought in to help them with their acquisitions and look at new companies for them to bring in and use that $1.5 billion to bring in new companies on their M&A. So that is what he will be working on as president of NanoDimension. But something else we also have is the new acquisition that just happened on April 8th. And we can see here it says NanoDimension appoints Hanan Gino as Chief Product Officer and Head of Strategic M&A. So obviously he will be very much involved in that strategic M&A and helping them grow their business through acquisitions. But we will definitely be deep diving into this article here. So we can see here, for over 30 years, Mr. Gino has been a senior executive leading international technology corporations as the president of Verint Systems, global security intelligence business. He was responsible for 1,200 employees and grew SI's revenue from $200 million to $400 million annually. As the CEO of Verint Systems Ltd., he was also responsible for the acquisitions and integration of multiple companies. So we can obviously see that he has a lot of experience growing companies' revenue through acquisitions. So this is something that NNDM is definitely looking for him to come and do for their company as well. Now, if we come down here a little further, we can also see prior to joining Verint, he spent 23 years at Orbotech Ltd., a global technology company whose products are used in consumer and industrial electronics and adjacent industries. From 2006 to 2010, Mr. Gino was the president of PCB division, the flagship of Orbotech, growing revenue to $250 million annually. The growth journey included the acquisition of several companies and the launch of new leading inspection and imaging solutions for printed circuit board PCB market. So again, this is just highlighting his experience in growing companies through acquisitions. Now, if we scroll down here even further, we can see some more key highlights of his career. So he has diverse experience of different industries, PCB inspection and imaging systems and solutions, data analytics, cyber intelligence and robotics, overall responsibility for sales, customer service, marketing, product development, R&D, manufacturing, and M&A. M&A being a key highlight, as this is what he will be focused on here at NanoDimension. 15 years experience as an executive officer in the management teams of $560 million and $1.1 billion companies, extensive experience in integrating acquired companies with different geographies and corporate cultures, and successfully launched 30 new and innovative products in multiple market segments. Now, if we scroll down here even further, we can see some comments from Mr. Gino himself. He says, "I am excited to join NanoDimension. Nano's technology has the power to revolutionize the global electronics industry while addressing multi-billion-dollar markets in industries I know well, including communications, aerospace, aviation, medical, automotive, and defense. Our growth strategy will include in-house development of new products and acquisitions of complementary technological companies. Factors that contributed to my decision to join the company are Nano's visionary leadership, highly skilled management team, and of course, the incredible technology. I expect this to be the pinnacle of my career." Now, that is very interesting that he said that, considering the 30 years of experience that he has and all of the past highlights that he has, he's expecting this to be the biggest part of all of that. Joachim Stern, the CEO of NanoDimension, also commented on Mr. Gino, saying he brings 30 years of global business experience that covers many of the industries we are targeting. During his stellar career, he has been the primary mover in driving product innovation and acquisition strategies while substantially increasing revenue and return on investment at multiple technology companies. His vast experience in different segments of electronics industry will add important depth to our product development team. He shares our vision to revolutionize the electronics industry with transformative technologies for the development and delivery of Industry 4.0 solutions that use additively manufactured electronics, AME. I'm very pleased to have Han on board and look forward to working closely with him. So, with these two people being brought on to the management team and the $1.5 billion in cash, this is definitely looking like NanoDimension will be making an acquisition in the near future. However, I just wanted to point out, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I do and say on this channel is for entertainment and educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence with these trades. However, with these signs that NanoDimension is giving us, I do believe that they are gearing up to make this acquisition, and this will be happening very, very soon, guys. So definitely keep your eye on this. But with all of that being said, let's head back over to the chart and hit some technical analysis. So if we come back over here to the chart, here on the daily chart, we kind of already went on, talked about earlier in the video what we were looking for on the longer term plays. We were looking for this to continue up to the $9.16 resistance. After this, respecting the support here at $7.64. So let's go in on the 30-minute and kind of give some more shorter term confirmations and draw some more support and resistance lines, some key areas in this time frame. So as you can see here, we will be opening up the day very close to the 50 EMA, and we are still well below the 200 EMA. So let's draw these as key areas of resistance that we will be looking to break above in the more shorter term time frame here on the 30-minute. So these will be key areas of resistance that we'll be looking to break above, and this will show us bullish confirmations as we continue to move forward. So if we do get a break above this resistance here on the 50 EMA, that will be your buy signal to continue moving up to the 200 EMA at 865. So to kind of show you guys how this will work, as soon as you get a bullish confirmation, a bullish candle close on the 30-minute above $7.91. That is your buy signal. And as soon as that happens, your first price target will be here at $8.64 at the 200 EMA. You will have supports just below this right here, and that will be just in case price does reject off of and come back below this then created support. That will take you out of the trade at the time, because that will be our bearish confirmation. So we do not want to be in the trade at that time. And once price comes up to this first price target, you will be taking a partial profit at that time to ensure some gains on that trade. So as this comes up to here, you'll be taking your first partial profit, ensure some gains, and then move to our next price target at 8,916. Price will then be here at this newly created support. And as we can see, this is a massive stop loss at this time. So what you want to do is trail this stop loss as price moves up as either a percentage of your overall position or using candle structure. It does not matter. That is completely up to you. But this helps reduce your risk and does not give price the opportunity to come back down and take us out at a loss, which ensures gains on our account and will help us grow our account and make some money on these trades, guys. But that is all the information I had for you guys today on NanoDimension, ticker symbol NNDM. If you enjoyed this video and you found value in it, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out with new videos. And I also have my Webull linked down below if you want to get some free stocks using that. But as always, guys, I hope you have an excellent day, get some gains in the market, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.